Size. All right. Okay, and you can stop. Very good. Now turn and face the wall behind you. Reach over top of your shoulder and try to put your hand between your shoulder blades with the right arm first. And now with the left arm.
Okay, I've known Dr. Adams for a few years now, and we knew each other outside of the patient-doctor relationship. We were friends basically before that. And one day he was just circumstance, we were talking about inflammation. And he started telling me about inflammation being one of the biggest killers in the world. It was a root of a lot of problems. And the more we talked about it, and the symptoms, the more interested I became, not necessarily for myself, somewhat for myself, but more for my wife, because a lot of symptoms that he mentioned she had and suffered from and had for a while, like fatigue. It was a big deal with her. And I told her about it. He gave me a video. I took it home and let her watch it, and she said, "We need to check this out." And I'm a skeptical person by nature, and the program that he was telling me about, had I not known him personally, I don't know if I would have done it. But having known him as I did and trust him, I did it. And my wife and I did the blood test. We found out about our food sensitivities. And we signed up for the full 6-month program, which for us it was 6 months, and I know it varies for different people, as does the cost. But we started the program last November, middle of November, and within 2 weeks we both were feeling better. I didn't realize that I was feeling bad until I started feeling better, and I was just basically doing it to support my wife. And she literally within about 3 days became a different person. Her words to me one morning, she could barely get up in the mornings, and sometimes it would be 10, 12 in the morning before she would get up, 10 or 11 in the morning, noon, just because she was so tired and she couldn't sleep and so forth. And after about the 3rd day, she was up with me in the morning at 5 when I came back from the gym about 5:30, and came in and said, "You know, for the first time, and I don't know how long, I feel alive." To me, that was worth every dime. It was worth the whole program, and it made a huge difference. It's made a huge difference for both of us. I mean, weight loss is one of the side benefits. I've lost personally about 69 pounds total on the program, and again, that's just a side benefit. I don't snore anymore. I sleep better. I don't have aching joints. It's just I think better. I don't have the brain fog. My wife's had very, very similar circumstances here, and she's having the same results. But it's worked great for us. I recommend anybody that's having any troubles of these kind that you look into this program. I trust him completely, and I recommend him completely.